Hi everyone, I'm Jude and I'm here to tell you about the Beacons Short Film Fund. Beacons invests in ambitious and cinematic short films from Welsh talent. We fund documentary, animation, fiction, live action and hybrid films of up to 15 minutes in length. Beacons is aimed at writers, directors and producers who already have some experience. You might have already made self-funded or student short films or work in another medium such as TV, theatre or moving image. You can apply either as a team or as an individual if you are a writer-director. If your application is successful, you will get paid to develop your project over 8 weeks before submitting to our panel. Commissioned projects get production funding and once completed are submitted to festivals and broadcast on BBC Wales. At every stage, Beacons offers creative and practical support, training and mentoring. To apply, the director of your project must be born or based in Wales. Your team must also be over the age of 18 and not currently in full-time education. If you identify as underrepresented in the screen industry, whether that's because of your ethnicity, disability, gender, sexuality, socioeconomic background, or where you live in Wales, we're keen to hear from you. Guidelines and application forms are available at filmcymruwales.com. You can also book a one-to-one meeting with us or contact us to discuss other ways of making an application.